Today, in this short video, I am going to show you the quick demo of an inflammable gas leakage detector, which will send you an instant alert notification along with the danger alarm and the blinking red light. Everything is done here wirelessly with the help of Bluetooth, and we also get the real-time temperature update in our smartphone. So let's quickly start it. This is the temperature sensor. This is the MQ02 gas sensor, which senses the inflammable gases, the RGB LED, an active buzzer, and finally the HC05 Bluetooth module. You can additionally use a flame sensor to take this project one step forward. You may also use a relay to on and off the gas sensor wirelessly. This is the custom designed Blink app where you will get real-time data continuously. Inside the Blink app, you can see the live temperature and a gauge meter to visualize the gas leakage value. Also, you can on and off the sensor by this wireless switch. Here, in place of the LPG, I am using the gas inside the gas lighter to perform the demo in a controlled way. Please do not try it at home without proper protection. Now, I will slowly release the gas. And you can see the sensor has detected the gas and started giving alarm. We also have received a notification in our mobile. Here you can see that gas leakage detected along with the temperature and the gas level. If the gas leakage does not stop, then the frequency of this alarm will further increase. Now, if you want to make this project on your own, then please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get regular updates. So that's all for today and bye.